1, 2, 1, 2. We'll just have a quick warm up, get the brakes warmed up, get the brakes nice and hot. Bit of heat into the tyres as well.
Keep your weight up the bike, and that's what we call a staggered wheelie. We run a hand brake as well as a foot brake. We have a rear brake underneath. Ready? Into the high chair.
I run out of room that way. I'll do it this way.
Yeah, you need to have a little bit of space ready to the bike to settle down. This is, you've got the idle turned up. No handy wheels, Toddy. Go again, Toddy. We call it switch track. You use your foot, you keep pushing, like that, you keep pushing, eventually you learn to pick your foot up, and if you use that handbrake underneath the clutch lever I was telling you about, then that's what's stopping side nose side. If you just tip it in, the bike comes flat inside, and then get into like Toddy's gone into a brow fluid, I'll follow suit, one of our easier surface wheelies, and then into a flamingo. Toddy's into a crazy calm knee bob. Crazy calm knee bob as well. Like spinning around in the space of your front room.
Oh yeah, nice and close.
I'm going to get spurted water with me in a minute.
Okay, a bit of encouragement, get behind him. Maybe you need to push. There he goes. Using that body to turn the bike in.
Touching the back of this bike now, there he goes. Right away behind balance bike. Touching the back of that bike on the floor. Oh, why is mine not hooking up? Oh, wait. We can do that going the other way. Now, as I said, where you going, Trina? Trina's a little bit of extra weight there, it does help. Then another one the other way, Trina. There we go. High five, high five, high five. Yes.
Jumping back on that bike there.
Okay, Trina.
Nice wave to all her fans and a nice dismount as well.